Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to this peaceful video. I am truly very happy and grateful that you are here with me today. Before we start, let us create a good environment for your mind. Please, find a very comfortable place right now. You can sit down on the soft chair, or you can lie down on your bed. Let your arms rest completely. Relax your shoulders. Relax your neck. Relax your face and smile gently. Now, let us take a deep, slow breath in through your nose. Hold it for 2 seconds, and let it out very slowly through your mouth. Do it one more time. Feel the air inside your body. Let all your busy thoughts and worries fly away into the air. This is your special time. In this space, you do not need to run. You do not need to hurry. You do not need to solve any difficult problems right now. The world outside your room is very loud, very fast, and very busy. People are always running, and everyone wants something from you. But in this video, everything is peaceful, slow, and quiet. Today, we will talk about your life. We will talk about your beautiful dreams for the future. We will talk about your long journey. We will look at why you feel so tired and stressed sometimes. And together, we will find your inner strength again. My voice will be very slow and clear. The English words on the screen will be very easy to read and understand. You do not need to translate everything. Just listen, relax, feel the music, and let your mind rest completely. You are safe here. You are not alone anymore. Let us begin this beautiful journey together.
Let us talk about a very honest feeling that we usually hide from other people. Are you feeling very tired today? Did you have a difficult and long day at work? Did you have a stressful week at your school or university? Sometimes we look at our lives, we look at our jobs, and we feel completely lost. You wake up early every morning. You work hard until late at night. You study English every single day. You practice your pronunciation in front of the mirror. You try very hard to memorize new vocabulary words. You spend your energy, your time, and your money. But when you look at your progress, you do not see a big change. You feel like you are standing in the exact same place as last month. You feel like your hard work is invisible and nobody cares about it. And then, a small, dark, and cold voice starts to speak inside your head. It is the voice of fear. It says to you, "Why are you doing this every day? It is too hard for you. You are not smart enough to learn a new language. You will never speak perfect English. Just give up now and live an easy life." When you hear that voice, you want to close your eyes and stop everything. But please listen to my voice right now. It is completely okay to feel this way. It is normal to feel tired. It is human to feel sad. When you want to quit, it does not mean you are a weak person. It does not mean you are a failure. It just means you have been strong for too long. Your mind and your body are just calling for a break. It is time to rest, my friend. It is not time to quit.
When we are sad and lonely, our minds often play a trick on us. We look at social media, we look at the internet, and we think, I am the only person with a difficult life. Everyone else is happy, rich, and successful. Everyone else learns English so fast. But please open your heart and listen to me. That is not the full story. You are not alone on this path. Millions of people from different countries around the world are learning, working, and trying their best every day. Many of them are listening to videos like this one. They are sitting quietly in their rooms after a long day. They are feeling tired. They are thinking about their future. They are trying to improve their lives one small step at a time. Think about the people you admire. Every successful businessman, every famous singer, and every great teacher was once a beginner who knew very little. They also spoke English with a bad accent. They also made mistakes in front of other people. They also forgot lessons and felt nervous when they tried something new. There were many times when they felt tired, discouraged, and unsure about the future. There were days when they wondered if they were making enough progress, but they continued to learn, one day at a time and one step at a time. The path to a beautiful and successful life is never a straight, easy line. There are challenges, there are disappointments, there are slow days and difficult days. But every step teaches us something valuable. When you feel lonely, remember that many people around the world are walking a similar path. We may live in different countries and speak different languages, but we share many of the same hopes and dreams. We can support each other, and we can continue moving forward together, step by step.
Many people make a very big mistake when they want to achieve a big goal. When they decide to change their life, they try to do everything perfectly in one day. They get excited and say, starting from today, I will study English for 6 hours. I will go to the gym for 2 hours, and I will read a whole book every night. They do it on Monday, but on Tuesday morning, they wake up feeling completely exhausted. Their body feels tired. Their mind feels tired. Everything suddenly feels difficult. By Wednesday, they stop completely and return to their old habits. That is not how lasting change happens. The true secret of growth is much simpler than most people think. One small step every single day. Do not try to climb the whole mountain in one jump. The mountain is too high, and looking at it can make you feel overwhelmed. Instead, focus on the next small step. Can you learn 3 new English words today? Yes, you can. Can you listen to a simple English story for 10 minutes while you cook or clean your room? Yes, you can. Can you read one short page before you go to sleep? Yes, you can. One small step today, one small step tomorrow, and another small step the next day. After 1 week, those small steps begin to add up. After 1 month, you start to notice progress. After 1 year, you may look back and realize how far you have come. Remember, my friend, small actions may seem simple, but they are often the beginning of big changes. Just focus on today's small step, and let tomorrow take care of itself.
My dear friend, we have walked a long path together today. Thank you so much for spending this time with us, listening to these words, and allowing yourself a few quiet moments of peace. Before we finish, we want you to remember something important. Life is not always easy. Some days feel bright and hopeful, other days feel heavy and difficult. Sometimes you feel confident and strong, sometimes you feel tired and uncertain. That is completely normal. Every person experiences difficult moments. Every person faces challenges that other people cannot see. And every person has days when progress feels slow. But difficult days do not last forever. Tomorrow is a new day. Next week is a new opportunity. And every morning gives you another chance to begin again. One day, you may look back at this period of your life and realize that you were stronger than you thought. You may realize that all those small efforts, all those quiet moments of learning, and all those days when you chose not to give up were helping you grow little by little. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to have all the answers today. You only need to continue moving forward at your own pace. If you are tired tonight, allow yourself to rest peacefully. If you are starting a new day, begin it with hope. Keep learning, keep growing, keep taking one small step at a time. Your journey is important, and every small step forward matters. Thank you for being here with us today. Take care of yourself, and we hope to see you again very soon.